Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. Behind me is one set of mobile batching plant we just pre-assembled in our factory. The capacity is 60 cubic meters per hour and with one set of 100 tons horizontal cement silos. And this is concrete drum type concrete mixers. And behind the drum type mixers is the weighing systems and the batching machines. And as you can see, those mobile batching plant has the 4 support legs on each side to make sure the concrete batching plant doesn't need the concrete foundation on the job site. And also we use the I-beam steel as the chassis of the mobile batching plant. It's very firm to make sure the safety of the concrete batching of the mobile batching plant. This is the 100 tons horizontal cement silos. As you can see, it's 2 layers. And when it for the shipment, we will put up layer into the down layer and put it into container, so it can save the space for the shipment. And also there are 8 legs on the horizontal cement silo. So when it gets to the job site, it also no need the concrete foundation. And with those tires, we'll need to move the machine to another job site. You can disassemble those support legs and use a truck to connect in here and drag the machine to another job site. There are also tires on the concrete batching plant. And also it is the same way to move to another job site. This is the weighing hopper. It is supported by 3 tension sensors, and to weigh its functions is to weigh the aggregate, the stones, and the sand. After the weighing is over, it will transport the aggregate to the concrete mixer. And this belt is very short than the traditional concrete batching plant, so it uses less time to transport the aggregate to the concrete mixers. And with the same capacity of the concrete mixers, this type of concrete batching plant, the efficiency is higher than other types of the concrete batching plant. We will pre-assemble every set of the machines before we ship it to our customers to make sure the machines is okay. Our SHENGMAO machinery is special in supplying construction machines, and welcome to contact us if you are interested.